Hello fam. So tonight we are going to be making chicken and potatoes. You can make many variations of this, but this is just my variations, very quick and easy. You want to go ahead and get a mixed pack of chicken that has all the pieces. Of course, I clean my chicken. I'm wearing my gloves. I clean my sink. We already know we've done that. So, we're just going to go ahead and skip to the recipe. So I just get an aluminum pan because we are doing a one pan dish. Now, I also want to let you know that you can do this same recipe in the crock pot if you're going to be away from the house. It's very easy. Then I cut up about 4 small onions, but you just want to cut up enough to cover the top layer of the chicken. Now, I use garlic that I buy in a bag and I freeze it just to preserve it. But I did use about 2 handfuls of garlic. I like a lot of garlic, but you can definitely use less if you don't want all that garlic. And then I cut up a red bell pepper and a green bell pepper, and I use 16-ounce can of diced cut tomatoes. Only 1 can. That's good enough. Now on to the potatoes. I did cut about 5 to 6 small to medium sized potatoes. Once again, you want to make sure you cover. And then we went ahead and with our seasonings, I used Italian seasoning, paprika, potato slayer, the low sodium chicken bouillon, the Nor brand, better than bouillon garlic base. I did use a tablespoon of that, as you see right here. And then you just want to go ahead and massage it in very thoroughly, making sure all the vegetables and also all the chicken get all of the seasoning. Once you're done mixing, it should look just like this. I placed in the oven at 350 for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on how well you like your chicken. This was about an hour in. I'm just flipping everything, making sure all the chicken gets cooked on both sides very thoroughly. I place it back in the oven and I cook it for about another 45 minutes to 50 minutes. After that time, this is what the chicken is looking like. This is perfect for me. The vegetables have all marinated. The juices from the chicken, it's perfect. So much flavor. This is so easy to make. It is a one dish aluminum pan. Once you're done, throw it away. Not a lot of cleanup, not a lot of fuss. So if you are an adult on the go, a parent like myself with kids in sports, this is a really easy go-to meal. You can pop it in the crock pot and it'll be done by the time you guys get home. And you can have dinner, a nice healthy dinner at that. So I hope you love this recipe. Let me know if you have any questions. And like always, I love you guys and have a wonderful night. Bye.